Part 1, letter A's. So in Vietnamese, we have 3 letter A's. First one is normal A that you see. Second one is the A with a smiley. Next is the A with a hat. And they all have different sounds. Let's practice. First one, A, A. With this one, you basically just drop your mouth naturally and produce the A sound. Next one, stretching the corners of the mouth to the sides, create the smiley, A, A. And the last one, we have the roof. So the upper lip will shape the roof. Alright, in the other lesson, I already mentioned that most of the vowels would keep the same sound once they are applied into a word. However, with the letter A's, only the letter A would be the same, but the A with a smiley and A with a hat will sound a little bit different. Let's try. First, we have A. When you add them into the word is cam. So you still have the sound in there, right? A, cam. However, the second one is a, but in the word, it's not it's cam. So basically, it's still the A sound, but with a shorter and more nosy sound. Cam. And the last one is not but in the word is a mixture between A sound and sound. For example, we have gum. One more time. Cam, gum. The mouth shape principle is still the same though. With the first A, you drop your mouth naturally. With the second A, you need to shape the smiley. And the last one, you need to shape the roof of the upper lip. So again, we have cam, gum. Alright, let's practice saying the words that contains the first A. We have cam, mang, bán, chán, sáng, mát. Okay, second, let's practice with the A with a smiley. Ăn, chăn, hằng, bằng, nằm, nắm, mặn. Okay, and with the last A, we have vâng, cân, chân, tất, cất, mất, cần, lần, trần. That's it. Let's do another exercise to see if you can hear which A am I trying to say. All right. So we have these 3, an, un. Listen carefully to see which one am I saying. I'm saying an. So, is it 1, 2, or 3? It is 2. Correct. Let's try again. We have nam, num. Listen to which one I'm saying. Nam. It is 1, 2, or 3? It's number 1. Very good. Now let's try this. We have vang, vâng. Listen. I'm saying vâng. Which one is it? It's number 3. There you go. That's very good. Now let's do a little bit harder. I don't show any words, I'm just saying it myself, and you have to guess which A I'm saying. First one. Cam. Cam. Is it the first A, the second A, or the A with the hat? It's a first A. Very good. Next one we have is cắn. Cắn. Which one is that? Second one. Very good. Next we have nấm. Nấm. Is it the A with a smiley or the A with a hat, or is the A with nothing? It is A with a hat. Very good. How about this one? Nằm. Nằm. Yeah, it is second A. Okay, one more. Let's try. We have mát. Mát. It is the first A. Very good. Okay, so remember, the mouth shape is very important when you try to produce a sound in Vietnamese. With a normal A, we drop our mouth naturally. So for example, we have nam, nam. With a smiley, we need to create the smiley. Put the corners up and stretching to the side. Nam, nam. And the sound is also a little bit shorter. And with the A with a hat, make the roof. Num, num. Okay? That's it. Thank you for listening. I hope you had a good time and see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn. Hẹn gặp lại.